how we do it, boys. This is how we do it. Whoa, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, fucking hell, bro! Bro, man was fucking flying, mate! I'll show you how it's fucking done, boy!
I'm from Guyana as well, innit? Right, okay, yeah. My mum be telling me, she's like, yo, like, if you go to Guyana, you love it. Like, the gal there and everything, she's like, love it, yeah.
Man, them?
Ready, yeah?
Let's step.
Love in my heart from the start. This is what I wanted to just hit from the heart.
Big street, I'm the same guy. Wouldn't tell the real me apart.
Feels like my word to the bridge. So feeling like we had nothing in the fridge. Now all the man is eating.
It's working.
He's gonna bust me good price as well.
What's this? Water sport? How much is it for a jet ski, bro?
How much?
Big one, small one. Small, this big.
Is that two people? Or one people?
One person, big one.
One person, big one.
Yes, 1,800cc.
1,800cc.
Yes, that one.
How much a cc this one?
This one 800cc.
Oh, so extra 1,000cc.
This 1,800.
Yeah.
This one 800cc.
Nah, man, I can get us a better deal. Thank you.
Senna. Thank you. Grab. Yeah. Right, well, let's fucking hit the beach then, boys.
Let me go say hello to...
Yeah, yeah. 2 seconds.
Yeah, man. Made that jump. I'm gonna go through it.
Let's go.
Everyone, one by one, yeah? I give you three.
We're gonna do a drink first.
Yeah, I give you. No, this one. I give you 30 minutes, I give you 40 minutes, 40 minutes, 40 minutes. Everybody 40 minutes.
Yeah.
3,000? No. Only 2,000.
2.
Yeah.
222.
Please. Sorry. Oh.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah,
You want something to drink?
Get a drink and then...
Go drink, we'll come back.
Yeah.
I don't know. What's the time?
Oh, 2 bro.
Okay, what time can you not drink? 1 to 5.
Drink?
Yeah, what time? There's a time you can't drink.
Yeah,
No, today cannot drink. You want beer? Something?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, can. Yeah, every come. Because No bottom glass.
Glass, okay.
No, later you come to him, huh?
Yeah, good price for you. Thank
Yeah,
you.
boss. Yeah.
Salted, boys. Saying some fucking grub. Some fucking a drink or something. That'd be lovely.
Can I get drinks here?
Yeah.
What do you not want? Oh, I don't mind.
I don't mind, man. Yeah, to be fair, I'm alright. I'm easy.
Yeah, and please let me get the fan.
Okay.
Yeah. Please. Thank you. Right, at least you come here and just chill.
Relax, man.
Thank you. Nigga ain't got no friends.
Boom, bow. You're saying that's mukbang?
Wait, let me see how much. I've done a muck. Let me see how much music. Yeah, I've done a muck, man. Like a Thai one. Nah, 7-Eleven. Oh, okay. What did you get? Some shit. Yeah. Shishi. Give me a shishi. You ain't even fun. I want some smoothie. But I might ask them just to go.
I might get a smoothie and a beer, bro.
They're like, that's it.
Well. Wow, we get some jet skis.
Man's like 1 chair 100 baht. Nah, bro.
1 chair 100 baht.
And it's not even for the whole day.
You remember me? I told you to come back to me.
Yeah, but it was you and another guy. There was another one. He walked up and down the beach. Oh. Yeah, he said to come at like 5 p.m.
This is the views. Yes, Mandem.
Yeah, boss. Sit.
Yeah, bro, you see the man's in like, Australia doing the big thing.
How much is it?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, there's that. Yeah, let's go get.
Tháng này chị làm à? Lú you. Hello, my friend. Just say the name. Did you what you name? Where you come from? What's your number?
Gonna go get my phone.
Yes.
Yeah. Hey, hello.
Hello, bro.
Yeah, Thailand.
Thailand, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, you say the name. Did you what your name? Where you come from? What's your number?
Let's go.
You YouTuber?
Yep.
YouTuber?
New. Just starting now.
We're gonna get wet. Yeah. Jay, what are we, mate? What are we?
We're fucking geezers and we're out here, aren't we? You know what I fucking mean?
No finish. You have finished time. I show you the face. You remember yellow chain? Yeah. I have the face. I show you later. Yellow chain. Yeah. Maybe you don't know the comeback.
So you see when we come back here,
Yeah.
what do we do? Because there's no break. So what do we do? Like come slowly here
Yeah. See the waist, the big waist. Yeah. Then you come back.
and stop.
Yeah. I can show you. Moment stop. No stop. You can ride the big weight. Did the weight. Did jet ski. Did the big weight come. You can ride the jet ski.
That way.
Slowly.
Yeah.
You need big weight. You're not right here. Jet ski cop. Jet ski boom. You can see the big weight. Jet ski use slowly. And you come here. Yeah. Finish time. I can take you slow. You can see the weight. Maybe you can ride here the big weight. You can see all the back.
We're in this now. Oh, Andre, pair him up.
Bro, you pay money first.
Wait, have you paid your piece? Nah, not fishing. Josh, did you pay?
Yeah, yeah.
Pay for me as well.
No, I just paid my one. I only got I only have 2,000 on me. Yeah, just run into the bike.
I got the 1.5 in it.
Just run to your bike quickly. It'll take 2 secs. Oh wait, bro. Can he pay after? He needs to get cash from the bike.
Later, huh?
Yeah, after.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, take care of shoe, bro. Slipper. Are you ready? Okay, come. Okay. Go.
Say no more then, boys. It's a jet ski thing. Bro, you got to even watch out here for jellyfish. You don't trust this little string.
Mum's off, I don't trust this.
No, yeah, man.
That's not to me.
No, just tuck it in here, and then when you want to record.
Yeah. You want to know something?
Oh. Yeah, YOLO, innit? Fuck it. I got a GoPro on the YOLO, so it's alright. Mine's waterproof, bro.
Guys, remember, there's no brake.
What?
There's no brake.
What do you mean there's no fucking brake?
Yeah, that's what he said. If you want to slow down, just trouble. That's it.
Alright, watch out for the jellyfish in that, boys. Alright, you got to watch out.
Click video. Don't have damage, eh?
So what's the damage going to happen there?
Yeah, just keep. Okay, this one. Safety. No key, no start. This one?
Yeah.
No start, yeah?
Yeah.
Safety. This one you put here.
Yeah.
And this one is start.
This one start.
And this one is stop.
Okay.
And this one is power, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, moment. Yeah, finish up before you the bed, eh?
This is how we do it, boys. This is how we do it. Whoa, shit! are sick, bro. These are sick. The waves? Yeah, it's calm. Bro, these things are beast, bro. Ah, what a bastard. Fucking hell, what? It's got some power in her. That's it. Go, go, go! Alright, let's have a race! Alright, let's have a race! Alright, race! You go further, right? You go that way. Ready? You crashed into each other. Oh, that's alright then. Shit! at the speed, bro! Bro, did you see me? Did you see how high I was, bro? Bro, man was fucking flying, mate. I'll show you how it's fucking done, boy. So it flats out at 73 kilometres an hour. I was definitely flat out then. There was no way I was picking up more speed. Oh boys, this is fucking off key. I'm in Phuket, Thailand. And I'm living fucking life. I'm in Phuket, Thailand with my boys. We're on jet skis. Look at that, mate. This is the life. Look, you want to be doing that all day, every day. You got to do something, boys. You got to do something. We need another one. We need another one, DJ Khaled. Boys, I'm gonna hold back, let them go, and I'll show you how it's fucking done. Look at that, mate! Thank you.
Now low season, swimming area broken.
Okay, yeah.
So high season had the swimming area almost. Yeah, now be careful. Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Somebody swimming.
Yeah, yeah, no, yeah, scary.